The Supreme Court handed down its final rulings for the term today. The court's ruling that district courts do not have the power to block President Trump's executive order.
The decision is tied to Trump's order to end birthright citizenship. ABC's Perry Russum explains the court's decision.
With today's Supreme Court ruling, President Trump can move forward with implementing the end of birthright citizenship, at least for now. The High Court not ruling on whether his executive order is constitutional, but whether federal district courts have the power to issue nationwide injunctions.
It was a disaster where somebody from a certain location in a very liberal state or a liberal judge or a liberal group of judges could tie up a whole country for years because their decision would sometimes take years to overturn.
After Trump signed his day one executive order to end birthright citizenship.
Birthright. That's a big one.
Federal judges in 3 states ruled the ban violates the Constitution's 14th Amendment, issuing nationwide injunctions blocking it from going into effect. Birthright citizenship has been guaranteed by the Constitution for more than 150 years. In today's 6-3 decision, Justice Amy Coney Barrett, with the opinion of the court, writing, universal injunctions likely exceed the equitable authority that Congress has given to federal courts.
This was only about whether the district judge could enjoin the enforcement of that nationwide.
Trump's executive order remains blocked for the 22 states and individual pregnant women who brought the case.
In the end, this ruling does nothing more than guarantee that the fight and the movement towards justice continues.
This is not the end of birthright citizenship's legal challenges. The merits of the order have yet to be heard by the High Court. Justice Sonia Sotomayor, writing in dissent, as every conceivable source of law confirms, birthright citizenship is the law of the land. Trump appears to see today's ruling as a green light to enact more of his agenda.
Thanks to this decision, we can now promptly file to proceed with numerous policies that have been wrongly enjoined on a nationwide basis.
Trump's order to end birthright has a 30-day grace period, so right now any child born in the U.S. is an American citizen. Perry Russum, ABC News at the Supreme Court.